Affiliate marketing means selling a product that is not your own online in order to earn a commission on sales. If you sell a digital product such as an ebook, this commission might even be as much as 70 to 90%. PPC is pay per click. This is any kind of online advertising that only costs you when someone actually clicks on your advert. Facebook ad works this way, and so does Google AdWords. The two tools are a match made in heaven for marketers, and here's why. The great thing about PPC is that it means you now know precisely how much you are paying for each visitor. If your maximum bid for a click on your ad is 5 cents, then you know you are paying 5 cents top for each visitor to your page. Why does that matter? Because it allows you to crunch the numbers and guarantee profit. Another figure you should be interested in is your conversion rate. This is the percentage of new visitors to your site who becomes buyers. Let's say 1% for argument's sake. Now, you can simply calculate how much each sale is costing you on average and then measure this against the profit you make per affiliate sale. So, you need 100 people to visit your site to make a single sale, and that is going to cost you 100 times 0.05 or $5. As long as you are making more than $5 per sale, then you know you'll be in profit. Of course, this does require a very small loss leader while you get those first 99 sales under your belt. And of course, some niches are more expensive to advertise in, while your conversion rate might also be much lower in some cases. But either way, you can now mess with the numbers in order to create a perfectly automated cash generation system. If your conversion rate is too low, you can try to tweak the sales copy a little to make it more persuasive, or you can check that the ads are well targeted. If your ad clicks are costing you too much, you try a less competitive niche, or you just lower your maximum bid right now. Eventually, you find that magic formula. That means you'll be making money while you sleep. And what's even better is that you can then just repeat the process over and over with thousands of other affiliate products if you'd like. You don't have to spend a lot of time creating them. So you can now set up something new every 24 hours. If one affiliate product in a landing page was making you $100 a day, and now you have 30, well, you can do the math.